Watching out for your front end and back end. Now that you know how your browser accesses website, let us dive deeper into the way the actual website is constructed. As shown in the Figure 226, the code for website and for programs in general can be divided into 4 categories according to the code's function. Appearance. Appearance is the visible part of the website, including content layout and any applied styling, such as font size, font typeface, and image size. This category is called the front end and is created using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Logic. Logic determines what content to show and when. For example, a New Yorker accessing a new website should see New York weather, whereas Chicagoans accessing the same site should see Chicago weather. This category is a part of the group called back-end and is created using language like Ruby, Python, and PHP. These back-end languages can modify the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that is displayed to the user. Storage. Storage saves any data generated by the site and its users. User-generated content, preference, and profile data must be stored for retrieval later. This category is part of the back-end and is stored in databases like MongoDB and MySQL. Infrastructure. Infrastructure delivers the website from the server to you, the client machine. When the infrastructure is poorly configured, no one notices it, but it can become noticeable when a website becomes unavailable because of the high traffic from events like presidential elections and Super Bowl and natural disasters. I see. So let's look at the diagram. Every website is made up of 4 different parts. Appearance, which is front end, and this is only the front end among the 4. Appearance, HTML. Appearance, for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the rest of the 3 belongs to the backend that are logic, for example, Ruby on Rails, Python, PHP. Next one, infrastructure, for example, Apache, Nginx, and the last one is storage, for example, MySQL, MongoDB. Usually, website developers specialize in 1 or at most 2 of these categories. For example, an engineer might really understand the front end and logic languages or specialize only in databases. Website developers have strengths and specialization, and outside these areas their expertise is limited, much in the same way that Jerry Seinfeld, a terrific comedy writer, would likely make a terrible romance novelist. Okay. Technical stuff. The rare website developer proficient in all 4 categories is referred to as a full-stack developer. Usually, smaller companies hire full-stack developers, whereas larger companies require the expertise that comes with specialization. Sure. Of course.